Good morning, everyone. Salam alaikum. Flowers, they look so nice. So for lunch, I'm having a salad. So this is fresh salad, and I just cut tomato and cucumber and some olives, and then here we have some carbs and protein with tuna, and carbs with sweet corn and couscous. So I will have some, like maybe 3 spoons from that, and then another 2 spoons from there, or 3. So obviously I'm not going to eat all of it. And then here I do have a glass, it's quite big, a glass of orange juice. So that's going to be my meal. Hi, assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. So today's video is going to be starting recipes for Ramadan. I don't know what to call it, to be honest, but anyway, I'm going to share with you what I'm going to prepare for Ramadan. So I will share with you how to make brewat, which is type of samosas, and I'm going to use for it not a normal pepper, what do you call it, spring roll pastry, I believe it's called. So I'm not going to use the Moroccan one, which is more thinner and more easy to use. So this one, I have experience with it before, like last Ramadan, and I preferred the rice pepper instead of it, because the rice pepper could be like more easy to use and will make the filling really all together, not really having space inside. But anyway, we will do this one this time. I will just show you how I'm making it, and it's going to be a Moroccan style one. So I'm going to make chicken one, and also I'm going to make the fish seafood fish one. This is mainly what I'm going to have for this video today. And also I'm thinking to make another recipe for Ramadan, which is going to be shabakia and also sellu, which is one of my favorites for Ramadan. Definitely Hamid, he have to help me making this recipe. He really do enjoy making with me these preparation for Ramadan. So yeah, so first thing, I have to work a little bit on my magazine, and then I will go do some shopping and then come back and start the recipe. See you soon. So if you're interested on visiting our magazine, it's free magazine, so I will link to it on the info box. So feel free to subscribe, it's for free, and you will receive your copy of the month. So to speed up the video, I already prepared the ingredient that I need, and I cook what I need to cook. So let me show you first maybe the fish brewat. So for the fish brewat, obviously for both of them, brewat is samosa. So anyway, so for it I will need this type of spring roll pastry, and also here I have the mushroom that I cooked. So I didn't add anything on the mushroom. All what I added Maggi, isn't it? Yeah, Maggi liquid seasoning. That's all I added. No salt, nothing. And then here I did put soak on hot water the noodles, or vermicelli noodles. Here I have some cheese, and then for this one, it's actually what's going to season everything, because on it I put all the seasoning I need for my brewats. So let me tell you the seasoning we have. So we have on it garlic, and then I added liquid, Maggi liquid, and then also I have soya sauce on it, black pepper, parsley, and the garlic chili seasoning, and then salt, and also some oil. You can choose olive oil or you can even use butter, but I just not use normal oil. And then here we have two type of fish. So we have the white fish, and also we have salmon. To be honest, you can add it any type of fish you like, and you can add it the shrimps, but my problem is that I have some allergies sometimes from the shrimp, so I try to avoid it sometimes. So this is all the ingredient that we will need for the fish type samosas. Okay, let's start it first, and then I will show you the rest. So technically how I cook it, I just fried some onion that it was chopped, and also I added on it some red pepper, and I added the spices and stuff that I showed you already. So okay, first we need to mix our vermicelle with the I don't know how to call it, but we call it in Moroccan charmoula. So I will technically pour some of it in here, and then mix, and then pour more and mix. So for this one, actually you have to mix it properly, and I forget to mention that I did cut the vermicelle, so there will not be long sticks of the vermicelle. So let's start. What you have to do is that you bring your the pepper that you're going to use, pastry pepper, and then also you have to mix some of the flour with the water, so that you will use it as a glue. So what you're going to do, so for this part I really like to use my hand to be sure about everything I'm putting in. So I'm going to take some of the what is that, vermicelle, and I will lay in it like that. Then with it I will take some of the chicken, the fish. I'm just going to put it here, maybe more of the white fish, and then also I will take some salmon, and I will place it like that. Oops. With this I'm going to take some of the mushroom that we have, put some mushrooms. Like I said, you can have anything of seafood, any type of food, to be honest, seafood or fish, think you like. Cheese. And then now I'm going to close it. You have to roll like this, the end, like this, and then grab this bit, fold it like that. Try to be sure that it's properly plated, so that the filling will not come out. Then you have to turn it over like that, and then turn it and squeeze, so it will be properly good size. Keep doing that, and then right in the end we're going to have some of the flour to use it as glue. So then roll it properly like that, and here's our first one. It's done, it's finished. You're doing good job, Hamid. Love? You're doing good job.
Okay.
I'm filming you.
Do you need to squeeze the ends?
No, it will be fine.
I'm not too sure about this one. I think it might come off, Ikram.
Yeah, put more glue.
I think
You
it's
didn't
fine.
put enough. Oh, it looks fine.
I think it's fine.
So you can squeeze them properly and make them really tight, but I think I'm fine with them, because this is not the type of the pastry pepper that we use in Morocco. So this one, it's more like loose, so I think it's fine like that. Will be crispy we say, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crispy. And some people, they do mix all these ingredients together, and then they start putting it in the filling. But for me, I prefer to put each ingredient by itself, so I will not make one spring roll having more ingredient than the other one, so, or you know, just having enough fish on each one and then enough noodles and, you know, cheese and stuff. So yeah. And also once you make them, pressure, yes, so when you make them, you can cook them either on, fry them with hot oil, or you can cook them on the oven, but you have to put some maybe butter on them, or you can have some egg, mixed egg on the top, so they will be more red. So yeah. Well done, Hamid. Well job.
Good job.
Good job, Hamid. Well done. Focus in face. He's like, leave me alone. Stop filming me.
Blah!
Okay, I have to stop now. So now let me tell you what I needed for the chicken samosas or pastilla samosas. So here's we have chicken breast. I use with it garlic and then turmeric, black pepper, parsley, and also ginger. Ginger, we say, Hamid. Ginger powder, yeah. Salt, and also I use in the end a little bit of cinnamon. And oil, obviously, and salt, you know. So to cook it, all what you need to do, just cut your chicken breast, and then in a big pan added the chopped onion, and then added the rest of the seasoning. Let it cook until it's properly cooked and the chicken is properly done, and that's it. And then also here I have the egg. So what I did with the egg, I cook it with the leftover onion sauce from here. I cook it with this one, so I let the egg cooked, and then, you know, easy to cook. And then here I have almond. To be honest, we need just the light one because I burned it by accident. So what I did with the almond, I boiled almond, removed the skin, and then I fry it. You should be really careful because you can easily burn it. So I'm just going to use the one that they're not burned, but otherwise I just want to share with you what I have. And here I have the brewat pastry. So let's start. So now we're going to make the other type of brewat. So we're going to make the chicken one. So first thing we have to do, we're going to take our nuts. So the nuts that we did make ready already. So we're going to break them down, you know, cut them into small pieces. So I will just use this to cut them to small pieces. So now the nuts look like this, so better. So we will take our what do you call this, pastry,
Yeah.
pastry pepper. I'm going to cut it into the half, like this.
Oh, now I know what you said was wrong.
Yeah, and then I'm going to put chicken here, and then I will put some of the egg, and then some of the nuts, and little bit of cinnamon. You can add it also icing sugar, but to be honest I don't want it to be too sweet, so we're going to spread it like that, and then we're going to close it and then roll it. You can do it in the shape of samosas if you want, but I think the pastry is a little bit getting harder for me, so better to do it just like this. And then, like how I did with the other one, I'm going to put some of the the flour glue to close it. Here we go. And it should look like this. So I will finish the rest and I will show you everything in the end. We're having fish and chips and it is from one of our favorite shop. This shop is like an hour away, isn't it? It's quite far away, but doesn't matter the distance. He have really amazing food. So I will put it on the plate and I will show you. So this is just one portion of chips and it's a lot. Like we still have another portion. I think this will be enough for us. This is really not healthy food, but it's fine to have it once a month, isn't it, Hamid?
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, you can bring it with the yeah, like this one. So I will try to link down in the info box the link for this shop. If you're in London, you can get it. So do you think they have a website?
No, but they're on. You can find them.
If not, I will put their address so you can go and have your thing. But the prices is good, the portions are really good, and the food is delicious. So let's enjoy our food. Oh, by the way, he gave us also some lemon slice and also some sauce here. So which is good. Okay, let's go. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
So this is our dinner. So that, mine's more chips here, and yeah, and also we're having Coke. Really bad food, isn't it, Hamid?
Wait, fish and chips without some soda, you know, of some sort.
Yeah. So if you're eating bad, do it all the way until the end.
Yeah.
Do it properly.